it's really not.
Our favorite
Oh,
part.
ridiculously far.
Let's take the short way and just jump off.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
They're only 10 feet.
That was a joke.
Could be worse. Not better than 60.
That's true. It's really not. Like, Black
You
Rocks,
could-
when you jump off those
You
cliffs,
could break something, but you actually might die. It's not
you
like,
feel like such a badass when you jump off Black Rocks, and when you look up and you're like, oh, that's like 4 feet. Not a badass.
more badass than me.
It's really not that dangerous. As long as you have a flotation
Well, I'm
device.
still not doing it because I can't swim worth a damn. So. I hate not hate swimming, but I'm just really bad at it.
That's, yeah, I mean, I had my knee on, so I was good.
Maybe if I had a life jacket.
Life jacket on?
That's one of the only.
Yeah, I mean, people laugh when I jump with flotation devices, but I can't.
No, I can't swim.
I sink.
Yeah, I'm too skinny.
No, I don't have that problem. I just